When you're in fear of your life, your perception of the world is totally distorted. Our system is overloaded both with sensory information and with straightforward fear at what's happening, and that means that our recall is absolutely vivid, but it might not always be absolutely accurate. People report that things seem to happen in black and white, and in fact, so they should. Black and white system is more primitive. Why bother to process the nuance of color when all you really want to know is, where's the exit? During the emergency response, the mind is altered. It works much faster than usual. It scans the visual field for what's really salient and discards the rest. They can see the person pointing the shotgun at them with absolute clarity, but all the things to left and right and up and down, they might have no knowledge about whatsoever. Almost as if the visual system says, hey, what's really worth looking at? Let's concentrate on that and then base our actions on the basis of those salient points in the visual field. All this has a great impact on our perception of time. We judge time by noticing the frequency of events. When not much is happening, time hangs on our hands, we tend to get bored. However, when we're pleasantly engaged in something, time rushes by. And that's the normal way life goes, one thing after another. But what if we're in peril of our lives? We've got total sensory overload. Everything we notice may be a matter of life and death. In that special circumstance, then time can almost seem to stand still.